Good morning, children. So, in this video, we are going to understand SQL. What is SQL? It is a very important topic, and 5 marker question will come in the board definitely. So, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is that language which is used to create queries. SQL is a data manipulation language, it is not a programming language. Now you need to understand that there are 4 types of SQL commands. First is DDL, it stands for data definition language. DML stands for data manipulation language. DCL is data control language, and this is transaction control language. But in your course you need to study DDL and DML. DCL and TCL will not come. One more thing, in DDL we will understand create, we will understand alter, we will understand drop. Truncate and rename will not come. In DML you need to understand select command, insert, update and delete. Merge will not come, right? So let us understand these commands one by one. So first of all, I am explaining you the data definition language, that is DDL. So let us understand this with the help of this create command, right? So here we are going to create a table. So what I am doing is I am taking you to again open office base, and let us create a table in this ABC company. So how will you create the query over here? You need to click on tool menu and you have to click on SQL. In order to create the query, you have to click on tools menu in SQL, right? Now you will be writing your command over here. Now what I am doing is I have already have this command. So what I am doing is I am copying this command of employee table, and let us create the table. So you can say see I have written here, I have copied pasted this command. It says create table. So you need to remember that all DDL commands, whether they are it is create or alter or drop, you have to use the keyword table. This is compulsory. Now, after that, employee is the name of the table. Now, once you have given this complete command, when you click on execute, it will give you the error. Why the error is thrown here? Because we already have employee table. So, how will you overcome this error? Simply, you will change the name of the table. So, we will write here employee 1. The moment we click on execute, command successfully executed message will be shown. But when you see your layout, you will not find employee 1. Why? Because all the commands of data definition language takes the time to execute. It is in buffering stage. So you need to close your open office and you need to open your open office again. Now, the moment I am opening my open office, I am clicking on database and I am opening my existing database file. So you will notice here that employee 1 has been created by the SQL. Have you understood this? Now let us understand our next command. So after create, we will understand what is alter command. Suppose in this table which we have created, employee, we want to add some new field. So how will we do it? So I am again taking you to open office. Let's see this table. So I want to add a new field called email. So how will you do it? So again we will click on tools SQL and I am copying this alter command from here. So I am copying this command alter table employee. Wait, I'm writing here alter table and I'm changing the name of the table to employee 1, add email varchar. So once you click on execute, again you will see command successfully executed. Again you can see the change in the table by reopening it again, since it is a DDL command. So we will close our database file. We will again open it. So I am opening the OpenOffice app again, and I am opening my existing database. So you will see in the table employee 1 email has been added successfully. I hope you have understood this. Now let us understand our third command of alter. So after alter, add I have already explained you. The next command is drop. If you want to remove a column, so we will use this command alter table, table name. This is your table name, and you will use this command drop, and then you will write the keyword column and the column name. Similarly, with alter, alter keyword also works. So we will write alter table, the name of the table. And if you want to modify any field, like for example, we have modified alter, we have modified the salary. So you can modify it with the help of this command. So let us practice this command. So I have copied it. Let's see first of all. See here, for example, name is varchar. I want to change it to char. So you can easily do it with the help of alter command. So I have written here alter table employee 1 alter name to char data type, right? So you can see command successfully executed, and we can notice the change after reopening it. Now next command is drop. So how will you write this command? So in this area you will write drop table and employee 1. So you will see that command has been successfully executed. So what is the benefit of drop? See, when you reopen your OpenOffice again, so what you will see that your table has been deleted, removed completely. So let's see the database. So you will notice in the table area, can you see employee 1 is not existing only. So these are your DDL commands. I hope you have understood. First is was I am again doing a recap. First we have understood the command create command. Then we have seen alter command, right? Then we have seen drop command. So these are the three commands of DDL. Now let us understand DML. So what is the DML command? So let's understand DML command. I am showing you the slide. First command is insert command. So insert command is used to insert the record inside a table. If you want to insert the command, insert these records into the table customer. So we will write insert into customer, and then we will write here values, and inside the values we can mention all the values. So all these records will go in sequence of the table, right? So this is the benefit of insert command. But if you want to insert selected field, so how can you insert selected field? In that case you have to mention the field name in the beginning, and then you will write the values after that. The next command is update. So what is the use of update command? Update command is used to make changes in the record. So if you want to make some changes in the record, then you will use update command. It is a part of DML, data manipulation language. So one more thing you will notice that in all DML commands we are not using table keyword. So we have written update customer and set name equal to Rahul or Rohan. So what will happen in all the fields, the name will change to Rohan. But if I am writing here where clause with set, so it will change the name Rohan where the age of the customer is 12, right? Now next is delete. Delete will delete all the records. If you are writing delete from customer, it will delete all records of the table customer. And if you write here delete from customer where name is Rohan, so it will delete only the one record. I hope you have understood this. Now we are on our last topic, that is how to form the queries using the select command. So for this I am again taking you to OpenOffice and I am explaining you the select command. So how will you create this, write this command? For this you have to click on queries and create query in SQL view, not inside the tools SQL. You will not write SQL select command in SQL. आपको यहाँ पर लिखनी है SQL command. So I am clicking on queries, create query in SQL view. Now, for example, I am writing here select. I want to see all the records, so I will write select star from employee. So let's see the output. So you will see all the output will be shown, right? But why it is giving you an error? Because table employee is written in capital, so you have to write it in capital letters all, only then the records will be shown. I hope this is clear to you. So that means SQL is case sensitive. Now if I want to see only the selected records, so you will write here select employee ID comma employee name. So it will show you only these two records. See here, correct? Now, if you want to see the record of employee ID and employee name, okay, so if you want to sort it, so you will use here order by clause. So we will write order by and then you will write the name. For example, I am writing employee ID. So we will see it will, there has to be a space between order and by. So you will see here, it will arrange all the records of the table in ascending order. And if you want to see the records in descending order, so you will write DESC. See, it has arranged the records in descending order. Now suppose if I want to see the records of those employees whose name is, for example, Tom. So instead of this, you will write where EMP name is equal to, and then in single quote, I will write Tom. So let's see. So can you see only that record is shown where the name is Tom. I hope this is clear to you, right? Now what I am doing is I am saving this query with the name Tom, right? Now I will create another query using SQL view. Now I am writing here select, for example, star from employee. So where name is Tom. Can you see? And if I am writing here where name is equal to Tom, or I am writing here or DEPT department name is equal to in single quotes accounts. So you will see it will fetch all the records where the name is either Tom or the name of the department is accounts. See, can you see both the records are coming? But if I am changing this or clause with and operator, so you will see it will show you only that record where the name is Tom as well as the department name is accounts. See. And if I am writing where the name is not Tom, so you can write here not clause, where not EMP name equal to Tom. So you will see the answer. So can you see it has shown you Nupur? Why? Because Nupur is in accounts department and Nupur name is not matching with Tom. That is why it has shown you this. Instead of where and not, I can also use this sign. So this sign also means not clause. मतलब कि if you write not here and if you write this symbol, they both are same. I hope you have understood. Now let us understand the clause between. So if I am writing, for example, salary is above 30,000. So you will see 3 lakh, suppose. You will see all the records are shown where the salary is above 3 lakh. And if I am writing here where the salary is less than, for example, 4 lakh. So you will see only that record is shown with the salary is less than 4,000. And if I am writing less than equal to, you can also always use that. And if you are writing not equal to, so what will be the output? The salary where it is not matching 4 lakh, except that record, every record will be shown. You can always combine and clause here, the way we did in the previous query. So same way I'm writing here and clause, department name equal to sales. Correct? So it will fetch that record where the department name is sales as well as salary is not equal to 4 lakh. I hope you have understood this. So you need to understand one thing, that in select statement we write first select, then from, then where, then and then order by also can come. See, we can write this order by. For example, order by EMP ID in descending order. So you will see the change in output. See, note, kindly note here A003 is coming first and now see A003 is coming next. So this way we can use the select command. You can always use wildcard characters here. So how? Suppose I want to see all the records of the employees, right? Where employee name starts with S, right? So how will we write? Where EMP name like operator, like single quotes में S and star, correct? So let's run it. So this is how it will fetch you the records. And you can always use this wildcard like this. So it will show you that record where the name contains S anywhere, right? So this can also be done. Similarly, we can also use the 3 question marks, the way I have shown you in the design view in my previous video. See, so there is no record where the name is starting with S, but we have Ravi here. So you can see R. It's starting with R followed by 3 characters. So this record is shown. We can also perform operations on the field. So let's see how. So first I am saving this with the name wildcard 1. Let's create a query in SQL view and I want to select salary plus 1000 from employee. So I want to add 1000 to my field salary. And we can also use alias here. How? With the help of as clause, as bonus. So you can see it will fetch the records by adding 1000 rupees to the bonus. You can also perform minus also. So you will see minus. You can always perform multiplication operator also. So we are incrementing the salary by multiplying it by 2. That thing can also be done. So I hope you have completely understood the select command. You have understood all the commands in DML, right? So I am giving you a brief recap by these with the help of this word file. So we have understood select, we have understood where, we have understood all these operators, we have understood or operator and not operator. You can also use wildcards, you can perform calculations which I have already told you. You can also use is not null, is null, all these operators also. Grouping of data I have already shown you. So I hope you have understood completely the SQL command. Thank you very much.